Social media influencers are currently sharing AI images without even leaving the comfort of their beds. Yes, you heard me. All this luxurious lifestyle content that you see online, most of it currently is created by AI. And in this video, I'm going to show you the easiest and simplest way to do it by yourself. Okay. Step one, we need free access to an AI image generation tool. And in this particular case, we are going to be using Google Gemini. So you can access Google Gemini via gemini.google.com, like you can see up here. And you'll be able to access this latest version over here, which is the 2.5 slash. Make sure the settings are on that. Then you're going to go ahead and click on this option of tools. Make sure you change the settings to Nano Banana. Currently, this is a free tool to use, so which means you're not going to be spending any money. Okay. Then now that we have the tool that we are going to be using for our image generation, the next step is to get prompts. So this is where all the magic happens. If you don't have good prompts, your images are most likely not going to come out exactly how you want them. That's why I went ahead to do all the work for you. So I'll be sharing this in the description down below for you guys to try out. Like you can see, we have 20 prompts that you can try out. So they are lifestyle prompts, and specifically, we are going to be working with luxury. So, like you can see with the first prompt, it says, without changing facial and body features, we want our image of the person we are going to generate to be boarding, okay, a sleek white private jet under golden sunlight, wearing a cream designer pantsuit, gold jewelry, sunglasses, and holding a luxury travel bag. We want the images to be realistic, cinematic, billionaire style images, 80K ultra realistic, luxury photography, shallow depth of field, soft natural lighting, detailed skin texture. Okay. So now I want you to have an image of yourself or an image that you want the AI to copy from. Now, since maybe you want to create these images for like Instagram, you might need to have an image of yourself. For example, like a full image. It's going to make sense later on as we proceed. Let me first show you. Now, before we insert the prompt, we are going to go ahead and click on add files, okay? So personally, I already have an image that I want us to use for this video, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and find that image, then I'll go ahead and upload it. So like you can see down here, it says describe your image. So this is where you're going to be able to input or paste your prompt, okay? So you need an image that this AI is going to copy consistency from. For example, the facial features, the body. So you want your body to remain the same, even your facial features or face to remain the same. Okay, hopefully that makes sense. So you're going to paste the prompt over here. On all you have to do is to click on this option of submit, sit and wait until the results are ready. And like you can see, there we have it. Our image is ready. Everything looks good, clean. It's super realistic. This feels so real to the point that this is scary what AI is capable of doing. Okay. So let's try another one and we see how it's going to turn out like. Make sure every time you're generating, you reference to the original image so that you keep on getting the same exact results of the content you are generating. Okay. So always refer to it, then go back to the prompt. Like I said, all you have to do is to come to my description and copy these prompts. Then you go back and insert your own image. You will see the results you get. If you want to edit anything and you see how it comes out differently, make sure to do the edits that you want. Feel free to explore the different styles that you want to work with. Like you can see right now, we have her inside a private jet. Oh my God, this is so nice. This should be illegal. This is incredible. Okay. So I want us to try one more time. And guys, don't rush to leave this video because I'm going to be showing you how you can remove the watermarks from this video. Let's first try a few images. And, I just want you guys to be sure of what this tool can do. That's why I'm showing you like multiple uh, images. Okay, through our prompt so that you can see what this AI is capable of doing. So this one over here is of a yacht. So let's copy this, okay? And we see what we are going to get. These are the results that we got. And I personally think that it came out really great. So I didn't end there. I went ahead to generate a few more off screen to save you guys time, but we can go through them together so that you can see how they turned out. Like everything is on point, everything looks clean, the images that come out exactly how you command the tool to do it, like you can see, guys. Okay, this is fantastic. I would like to know if you guys are going to try out this tool or not. What are your thoughts about this AI tool? You can let me know. And if you're going to be trying out these images, you can as well tag me on Instagram, which is at KCK Technology, so that I can see, what you were able to generate with this tool. Okay. Now that we know how to generate our images, let's head over to another tool, and I'm going to show you how you can remove these watermarks over here. To remove the watermarks, we are going to be using Canva. And like you can see right now, I'm on the interface. And all you have to do is to come over here and you click on the social media option over here. This is going to open up different social media platform sizes that you can work with. So you're going to choose based on where you want to post your content. So since I'm working on a YouTube video, I'm going to go ahead and choose YouTube. Okay. So let me go ahead and work with this over here. And it's going to open for you a canvas that you're going to be working with. All you have to do is to first go back to Gemini and you make sure you download the image that you want to use. So there is two ways to download them. If you have it on a full screen, you can click up here to download. And if you have it on a smaller screen, you can just click up here on the image and it will be downloaded onto your device. Okay. So right now I'm back in Canva and I had a few images already and my upload. So I'm just going to choose, let me choose this one over here, our original image. It was also generated with AI. So let me just drag and drop that onto the screen just like that. Like you can see, we have this icon over here. So all you have to do is to click on this option of edit. So this is not a free feature. However, Canva has a 30-day free trial, so you can sign up and take advantage of it. Also to see if you'd like to, invest in like into Canva, or it's a tool you'd like to invest in and use, for your content creation over time. So all you have to do is to click on this option of grab. There is two ways you can do it. There is using the magic eraser, but I personally like to use the grab option because it allows you to just grab only that part or that element that you don't want in your content. So I'm going to click on that option just like that. Give it time. Once it's ready, I'm going to click on the brush option, and all I'm going to do is to click on this part of the element, then I'll click on this option of grab, give that time until it's ready. So this is going to give us access to the element, like you can see. So right now it's movable, which means you can click on it and it will give you options over here. So you're going to click on delete. Like you can see, we don't have any, work that doesn't look good. Everything looks good on the image. Everything is left as it's supposed to be. So it makes much more sense. Okay. So like you can see, I chose the option of YouTube and it's a video, but that shouldn't worry you since we are working with only the image. So whichever social media platform you chose, you're going to be able to save it as an image. So all you have to do is to click on this option of share and you're going to click on this option of download, just like this. So the file type is on MP4, which is video, since I chose the video option, but there is more options down here. All you have to do is to click on this arrow facing down, and you're going to choose the format you want to use, either a JPG or PNG, whatever you want to use. And once you're done, you're going to go ahead and click on download. There is also an option of increasing the size and then the quality of the image if you want. Then you're going to go ahead and click on download. That way your image is going to go ahead and download, then save on your device. And there you have it, guys. Your image is ready and you can post it wherever you want, okay? Guys, with all that being said, this brings us to the end of today's video. If you found value in this video, I kindly request you to support the channel by liking this video, subscribing to the channel if you haven't already, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on content like this. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section down below, and I'll be able to answer them as soon as I can. Thank you very much, guys, and see you in my next one. Bye.